Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you 5 amazing Porsches. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 different Porsches that I saw. They're all amazing. Now let's get right to it. First and foremost, we have the 911 Turbo. It looks incredible. Now, one thing about this car that I've grown to love over the past number of years is that rear spoiler. Now, it looks absolutely amazing. Now, I love many different things about this car, but the rear spoiler, these rims, the body style, that front end with those headlights just like that, it just looks amazing. I love cars that have a simplistic design, and this 911 Turbo is definitely one of my all-time favorite cars. Now, next up on the list, we have the Porsche Carrera GT. Now, this is a legendary car. If you are a fan of Porsches, you know all about the Carrera GT and its legendary status. It looks absolutely incredible. Now, what I love about this car is that it has the cues, the visual cues of a Porsche, but it also has some stuff on it, some aesthetic designs on it that look so different than any other car that I've ever seen. And that's why I love this car. It keeps that same classic Porsche with those visual cues, but then it also has some other aesthetic designs that make it look amazing. I was able to actually get the camera up high so that you could see sort of the interior of this car as well. The rims are incredible. Everything about this car I love. I cannot emphasize that enough. It is definitely one of my favorite cars of all time, and I'm a huge fan of Porsches to begin with. What we have up next right here is actually the 918 Spyder. Now, this is amazing, and as you can see, it's plugged right in right there. Now, the Porsche 918 Spyder is also a super legendary car. As you can see right there, the spoiler on the back looks incredible. The rims, the overall design, the fact that it's a Spyder and you can take that top down. Like, can you imagine driving this car on a sunny, nice, warm day? It's absolutely incredible. It's definitely one of my favorites. And I also get a chance to go to the other side right here, lift the camera up a bit higher so you can sort of see the interior. And I just love this car because to me, it just looks like a car that would be so fun to drive. Now, I've personally never driven one yet, but I hope to drive one in the future. And believe me, if I end up driving a 918 Spyder, I will get film footage of it and I will put it on this channel because I love this car and I love the way that it looks. I'll give you a little advance notice. Next up, we have a 912. As you can see here, it looks absolutely amazing. A nice classic Porsche look. Now, one of the things that I love about Porsche is that they have kept a very similar Porsche look over many years. So if you look at Porsches and the history of Porsches, you'll see that from this car to the current Porsches, they have so many of the same visual cues. And that's what I love about it. And if you look at the interior of the car, if you got a chance to see right there, it looks incredible. And for a car of this age, it looks absolutely amazing. A nice sporty look. I love the back end. Like I said, that classic Porsche back end. It simply looks amazing. You can see right there the 912 and then the Porsche at the back. And last but not least, the 5th Porsche in this video is a 356, and it's coming up right about now. This is an amazing looking Porsche. As you can see right here, it looks absolutely incredible. Now, I was able to see these Porsches on exhibit, and they looked so amazing that I wanted to actually film it for you and show you some video footage of what I got. As you can see there, the badging on the side, the rims. The rims are so simple, but they look so amazing. And once again, we move to the back and we have that classic Porsche back end. And that's basically it. In this video, I just wanted to show you 5 amazing Porsches. Give you a little bit of the Porsche history of, the older cars to the newer cars. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.